Welcome, Vikings! SJR State is pleased to introduce the new MySJR State student portal. This new platform is a more user-friendly experience to help you personally organize information specific to you and your progress here at SJR State. Our favorite new feature is that it's mobile-friendly. Notice how the page will adjust to fit your phone screen, giving you two options to navigate through the categories. The boxes or cards at the top of your page contain links to Canvas, your email, and other important information such as student life opportunities, the bookstore, and tutoring services. Be sure to scroll through the cards to access all links available to you. Notice how some of the cards located at the top of the page are locked in place. After exploring what links and resources each card includes, you can organize the unlock cards by clicking and moving to your preferred location. To remove cards, click on the bookmark icon. To re-add cards to your page, click on Discover More and select the cards you would like to return to the portal. Don't forget to check your email daily, as well as the event calendar and announcements, as campus life is an important part of your collegiate journey and we wouldn't want you to miss out. Get social with SJR State and stay connected with your favorite social media apps. We hope you enjoy your new student portal.